Hello, and welcome to the Python Academy. In the data science path, you will learn how to use Python for data science and machine learning. You will learn Python packages like pandas and numpy and perform data analysis, how to use Seaborn and Matplotlib for data visualization and statistical plots, how to develop different data models such as linear regression, logistic regression, or decision trees. Our program culminates in machine learning and AI, where we teach you how to develop neural networks and support vector machines. We will cover all you need to know to become a full-fledged data scientist. We are the largest US-based school for Python training. Learn from expert data scientists who work for Fortune 500 companies and focus on practical concepts that are project-based, which have proven to work in a real work environment. Learn virtually from the comfort of your home in a collaborative and friendly environment. We have flexible class schedules, multiple pay options, a certification program that is officially recognized by the International Standards for Python Development and the Python Foundation. We have a dedicated career advisor who will guide you through your Python journey and assist you every step of the way in building your resume and land the job of your dream.
I've had a wonderful experience with Python Academy. I feel like my instructor was not only very knowledgeable, but he used real-life project cases in the work that we were doing.
They have a really good course structure that help beginners to start learning Python.
The instructor took me on a journey from the very basics of Python and SQL all the way to machine learning.
My career advisor was so friendly. He really helped me understand what was going on and build my resume so that I could be ready for my job interview.
Python Academy is equipped to train, develop, and place you as a data scientist. We have astonishing results and an 86% success rate in only 12 weeks. So call us today to speak to our dedicated career advisor or visit our website at thepythonacademy.com and book your slot now.